Welcome to StockInvest.us, a world of trading ideas. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions.
P500 ETF currently holds a 6.852 score, and our system have ranked SPDR S&P P500 ETF buy or hold candidate since the 3rd of August 2021. In this period, the stock has had a gain of 1.32%. This is an average return of 0.13% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SPDR S&P P500 ETF, our last headline reads SPDR S&P P500 ETF upgraded to strong buy candidate. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF price gained 0.24% on the last trading day, Monday the 16th of August 2021, rising from $445.92 to $446.97, and has now gained 6 days in a row. It is not often that ETFS manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day, the ETF fluctuated 0.96% from a day low at $442.87 to a day high of $447.11. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.14% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 22 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 60 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $26.96 billion. The ETF lies in the upper part of a narrow and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $449.49 will firstly indicate a stronger rate of rising. The current 3-month trend indicate a 7.48% change over the next 3 months. From a statistical point of view, a possible return between 4.77% and 8.31% from today's price. The 12-month trend it indicate a 33.21% change over next 12 months with a possible return between 25.03% and 40.01%. This equals a price between $558.85 and $625.80 after a year. SPDR S&P 500 ETF price predictions. In the following part, we will give you our users' price predictions for next trading session, a 5-day price prediction from our algorithms, and at the end some targets from other analysts. Price predictions from StockInvest.us users. User 1 predicts that SPDR S&P 500 ETF will go up and end trading at $304.98. 1. Price predictions from our algorithms for next 5 trading days. Signals and forecast. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The SPDR S&P 500 ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $444.15 and $436.82. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, July 19, 2021, and so far it has risen 5.18%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. The stock had a golden star signal on Friday, May 21, 2021 in the short-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 21 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 16 days ago. Short moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 60 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 198 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a sell signal N/A days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss. SPDR S&P 500 finds support from accumulated volume at $424.97, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $4.24 between high and low, or 0.96%. For the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 0.48%. Our recommended stop loss, $421.94, minus 5.60%. This stock has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 20 days ago. Is SPDR S&P 500 ETF a buy? SPDR S&P 500 holds several positive signals and is within a weak rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold, accumulate to a strong buy candidate. Analyzing the volatility and movements for last trading day, our systems find that current price is overvalued. For the trading on Tuesday 17th, we expect SPDR S&P 500 ETF to open down minus $1.32 and start trading at $445.65.
That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.